I am already in Cebu airport and flying to Puerto Princesa. This is actually my last destination, then I have just fly to Manila and back home. I'm going to spend 4 nights in Puerto Princesa. I I don't know if I go somewhere further. Maybe I was thinking about Port Borton, but I will see when I get there.
Hi travelers, I am Mats and welcome to Travel With Me, your go-to guide for all travel adventure. I have been lucky enough to explore numerous countries and I am sharing my tips and tricks with you. So hit that subscribe button and let's explore the world together.
A little bit about Cebu Airport is actually much better than Manila. It's really nice, modern, and easy to navigate. Not like in Manila, we got lost there. We already checked in our bag, and we will go to security. Actually, all my flights around the Philippines are with Cebu Pacific. It was the best price, and what I definitely recommend to do is buy tickets in advance. You can't change destination, but you can change your date or time of your flight if you need. But if you come here and you want to do like you want to buy a ticket like from one day to another day, it's really expensive. So buy tickets in advance. We are going to the plane. It looks like one of the biggest which I flew here in the Philippines. And it's going to be full. It looks like a big plane. I'm not really sure about the type, I need to check it. It is actually Airbus 321 Neo. Hello, hello. Welcome to Puerto Princesa. Wow, it's really hot today. I'm so glad we are here because I wanted to actually cancel this trip. There were floods few weeks ago and I wasn't sure if it's going to be good or not, but everything should be alright and I am ready to enjoy my stay here. This airport is actually so beautiful. I'm going to withdraw money from ATM. I use Revolut and they actually have the best rate. So yeah, but I can't see any. I'm trying pork scratchings and guys, it is so good. It's crunchy. Wow, delicious. We are in very nice restaurant called Kalui. It is actually barefoot restaurant. I never experienced that before, but everything is for the first time. And we got a fish soup, so let's try it. Wow, it's very fishy. It's spicy as well. but it's really good. It's like a broth. Wow. I have also rum punch, and it's really strong. It's with rum. I am still waiting for my food, but the rest they already got there. Tuna steak, and this is blue marlin with potatoes. Nice. Wow, the portions are actually huge. Amazing. My order is here. I got grilled squid. Let's try it. So we did not get any knife. It's actually normal in Philippines. They always give you just fork and spoon. I'm trying to cut it. Really nice. The decoration is absolutely stunning. You can actually sit on the floor and eat there as well if you prefer that. And the garden here, check it, is absolutely beautiful. I love it. Come here. I recommend to book it in advance because it might get busy. I will show you the number if you want to book it. They also do a lunch, and as you can see, they recommend to reserve that. Amazing.